My name is Elma Sims, and I'm a patient of Dr. Carlo, and I've been seeing him about 4 years. And I originally came into him because I was having such pain in my back and my leg on the left side, and I see a rheumatologist, and the pain it was just getting worse and worse. And they had given me an epidural, um, steroid shots, and stronger and stronger drugs, and it would help maybe a week or two, but it just was progressively getting worse and worse. So my sister saw an ad for Dr. Carlo, and she told me, she said, why don't you call this doctor? Because this picture describes, it looks exactly like what you described your pain as. You know, it showed arrows going from the back all the way down the left side to the foot. And that's exactly, what I was feeling. Even my left side of my foot was numb. So my rheumatologist, I told him I didn't want any more drugs, and I didn't want surgery. And he said, well, surgery would probably be the next step. So he referred me to a neurosurgeon. And I didn't really want surgery, but I had to do something. So I I went to make an appointment. The doctor wasn't there, so they told me I could call back and make an appointment. And so that's what I did. But well, I didn't make an appointment. I called my sister. She had faxed over a copy of the ad she saw for Dr. Carlo, and I carried it in my purse for about a week because I really didn't know too much about chiropractors or anything. So but after about a week, almost 2 weeks, the pain had gotten so bad. I called my sister and said, I'm gonna probably have to have that surgery because I can't live like this. The pain is just too bad. So she said, but before you do that, why don't you call that doctor? So I pulled the ad out of my purse and I called Dr. Carlo. He saw me the next day. And when I went in to see him, I was almost in tears. The pain was so bad. And he told me, he said, I can't guarantee that you won't have to have the surgery eventually, but I'm going to do everything I can to help you with this pain. So he worked with me. First, he was seeing me 3 times a week, and I had to come all the way from Chicago to see him. But, he said he would be able to, try to help me. And he sounded so sincere. And so he worked with me, and now the pain is gone. Dr. Carlo, to me, is a lifesaver. The pain is, and I never, ever want to go back to that pain. And I thank him every day for that.